Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to put border in picture in Microsoft Word. Make sure adding a border to a picture in Microsoft Word is a quick way to make your images stand out and look more professional. So first you need to insert the image which you want to give the border. Click on the picture, select on this device and select the picture from your computer device. So now click on the picture you want to the frame. Once the image is selected, a new tab called Picture Format will appear in the top ribbon menu. So in the picture style, you need to click on this picture border and first select the color of the border, for example green, and again click on that and select the weight, and it is 3 pt, and again go to the picture border and you can select the dashes as well, but it up to you. I'll be opting straight line. If you want to apply double line border, then again go to the picture border and click on the dashes and click on the more lines. On the right side you need to click on the compound style and select the double line, and here you can see that. Moreover, you can also use the built-in picture for styles. Moreover, for a more polished look without manual tweaking, you can use Word's built-in style. For this you need to select the picture first and look at the picture style in the quick styles. You can click on that and select which one you like it most. So hover over the different frame to see a live preview on your document. These includes options like soft edges, drop shadows, or thick white frames. So with this way you can easily put border in picture in Microsoft Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.